Chief Minister Revant Reddy making series of stunning allegations against the Pushpa 2 actor, strongly condemning the actor's screening that happened at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad, where the Chief Minister accused Allu Arjun of disregarding public safety and continuing with his appearance at the cinema hall despite police denial of permission. The Chief Minister claimed that the police had rejected the theatre management's request for security due to concerns about crowd control, but the actor proceeded with his planned visit. The Chief Minister further stating that the DCP had asked the actor to leave after the woman's death, but the actor was insensitive and continued to wave at the crowds, at his fans, and also held a roadshow. The actor, however, holding a press briefing last evening to counter the allegations by the Chief Minister, saying that it was an unfortunate accident. First, let's listen in to what the Chief Minister said.
तब डीसीपी आके सीधा हटा के इनके जो भी है सब सिक्योरिटी वाले पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर देके डीसीपी जाके हीरो को बोल दिए कि भाई तुम तुरंत निकलना, नहीं तो हम लोग अरेस्ट करना पड़ता, क्योंकि 2 लाश गिर गए बाहर। आप यहाँ पर थिएटर में बैठ के तमाशा किए तो ये कंट्रोल नहीं होने वाले हैं, हम नहीं सुनने वाले हैं, आपको अरेस्ट करके पुलिस स्टेशन लेकर जाना पड़ता, आप तो निकलो। जबरदस्ती से वो हीरो को हमारा डीसीपी वो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन देकर उनको बाहर लेकर आए। बाहर गाड़ी में बिठाने के बाद फिर जाते होकर फिर रूफटॉप निकाल के फिर लोगों को ऐसा कर रहा, तो ये कैसे इंसान है? हम लोग क्या बोलना है सर? मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा। मैं बाहर ये बोल भी नहीं सकता हूं, अगर कुर्सी में बैठकर खामोश भी नहीं बैठ सकता हूं। तो ऐसे इंसान भी आजकल दुनिया में है। ఈ సినీ ప్రముఖులు ఒక్క రోజు కోసం పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ పోయిన ఇంటికాడ క్యూ కట్టి ప్రభుత్వాన్ని తిడుతున్నారు, నన్ను తిడుతున్నారు, అతన్ని పరామర్శిస్తున్నారు. ఏమైంది అధ్యక్ష? అతను కాలు పోయిందా, కన్ను పోయిందా, చేయి పోయిందా, ఏమైనా కిడ్నీలు దెబ్బతిన్నా, ఏమైంది? అతన్ని ఇంతమంది సినీ ప్రముఖులు పరామర్శించారు, కలిసిండ్రు, అభినందించారు, కానీ ఆ పిల్లగాన్ని కనీసమన్నా పరామర్శించడానికి సినీ ప్రముఖులు ముందుకు రాలేదంటే సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్న ప్రముఖులు ఏం ఆలోచన చేస్తుండ్రో, ఏం కోరుకుంటుండ్రో నాకైతే తెలియదు.
Now, there's been another stunning allegation, and this is coming from the AIMIM leader, Akbaruddin Owaisi, who has echoed the Chief Minister's sentiments and went a step further to claim that when the actor was informed about the stampede and the death of the woman, he apparently smiled and said that his film will now be a super hit. Listen in to the stunning claim by Akbaruddin Owaisi.
मैं बोल रहा हूं, मैं नाम लेना नहीं चाहता वो मशहूर फिल्म स्टार का, क्योंकि मैं अहमियत देना नहीं चाहता, लेकिन सर मेरे इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से वो फिल्म स्टार गए थिएटर को पिक्चर देखने के लिए, बैठे हुए थे, गड़बड़ हुई, उसके बाद पुलिस वाले आकर बोले कि भगदड़ हो गई, स्टैम्पेड हो गया, 2 बच्चे गिर गए हैं, एक लेडी मर गई है। तो उसके बाद में वो फिल्म स्टार पलट के ऐसा मुस्कुराते हैं और बोलते हैं अब तो पिक्चर हिट होने वाली है। एक मैसेज ऐसा दे रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट जुल्म कर रही है, ज्यादती कर रही है। सर इंसानियत कहां है बताइए? 1 lady dies, 2 small children are on the stampede, 1 is under coma, and that gentleman doesn't even bother to go and ask and seize her at that moment.
Now, the actor himself, let's tell you how he's countered those allegations, addressing a press evening last evening, refuting the allegations against him and called it as misinformation and misquotation. He's countered the Chief Minister's claim about holding a roadshow, stated that he simply waved at his fans and left, and also said that he learned about the tragedy the next day and not while he was at the Sandhya Theatre. Furthermore, the actor said that it was his manager who informed him about the overcrowding at the theatre and not the police, also dismissing claims that he was happy about the tragedy, saying that he as a person cannot even say such statements, saying that these are all attempts to character assassinate him. Let's listen in.
The theatre has sought permission and I've been there, and right in front of my eyes there's police people who are clearing the way, so I was going by their direction. In fact, if there's no permission, they'll tell us that, sir, we don't have permission, please return back, and I'm a law-abiding citizen and I would have followed that. But within some time they came and told me, sir, there's uncontrollable crowd outside the theatre, you have to please vacate. I said 100% okay. No police personnel, nobody ever told me. It was just told by one or two of my managing people. I just want to say my intentions are very pure and very clear, and there's a lot of misinformation saying that I've been very irresponsible. Oh, let some 2-3 limbs be broken, that means movie is hit. No, absolutely, I have not made any. I cannot make Believe me as a person, I cannot use such language. Please don't judge me. Please don't have character assassination on me. Please, it's my kind request. I am not that kind of a person. I've been here for 20 years. After 21, 22 years of work, and overnight when it's sabotage.
Well, this is all now part of the ongoing police investigation. Let's shift focus to this tragedy that has now occurred in Punjab's